Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating rights and grabbing the audio right away so you can work offline. Use FFmpeg to extract a lossless file, because repeated encoding introduces artifacts. This preserves quality for processing. Once done, scan the waveform and mark timestamps where music appears and which channels it occupies. Make sure to document frame rates and original sample rate so audio stays in sync when you reassemble the VOD. You now isolate the music by combining spectral editing with modern separation models so dialogue remains intact. First, run a source separation tool to create stems, then open a spectrogram editor to visually identify overlapping frequencies and remove persistent music bands. Once identified, apply bandpass or notch filters sparingly and run transient repair to fix cutoffs and plosives. After cleaning, export distinct stems, dialogue, music, ambient, so you can selectively mute or replace the music without harming speech clarity. You finish by deciding whether to attenuate, mute, or replace the music stem. If replacing, generate matching room tone or a licensed track and align it to log timestamps, crossfaded edits to hide transitions. Then remux audio with FFmpeg, preserving original video to maintain sync. If you encounter residual artifacts, rerun separation with another model, increase filter queue, or apply brief spectral repair passes. The key troubleshooting tip is to iterate on separation parameters rather than overprocessing the dialogue, which causes more harm than good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.